Hello guys, this video covers one of the most important aspects of DialNexa, which is the documentation, which covers certain subsets within itself. In order to access the documentation of DialNexa, you click on this Need Help button and from there you click on Documentation. So on the Documentation tab, the first thing you see on the drop down is the documentation itself. It covers a few basics for people who are very new to voice AI or maybe to DialNexa. There's a side navigation to help you get started, and you can explore a few things here from the documentation tab itself. The next thing is the API reference, which is the most important thing when it comes to making calls at a scale, connecting to your CRM or other messaging services. This is where most of you would be interested in. It covers introduction, quick start, it gives you the API endpoint, how to create an API key, or gives you certain examples, authentication, pagination, errors, reliability, and then there are the endpoints themselves. Like agents has a few endpoints. Like in order to create an agent, this is the curl, this is the details about the body of the curl and what is expected, what's not expected. It gives you the responses as well: 201, 400, 401, 403, and 500. You can access this on the side nav. And similarly, you can go ahead and access the other sections of this API reference page. If you want the languages, you want the phone numbers, get, post, all requests are there. After the API reference, there is an integrations tab, which gives you an overview of what all integrations are supported at a click. DialNexa supports some one-click integrations, wherein with a simple authentication, you get integrated to more than 850 connectors, and these include popular CRMs, messaging services, Jira, and all of the other softwares that we support. You can click on any tool that you want to integrate with, for example, Salesforce, and it will give you an overview of what is possible and how you can go ahead and build the workflow with the integration. Below the integrations tab is a user tutorials, which covers various use cases that you can build with DialNexa. So you can click on the use cases on the left hand side. It will give you a list of things that is possible. Maybe you can check out integration workflows or inbound lead to book demo. How does the flow look like? All of this is covered here. Below the user tutorials, there is another tab called the changelog. So this changelog keeps on updating whenever there's a major feature release, or we're deprecating a feature, or we are deprecating some APIs. All the changelog related to the platform is published here, and we make sure that every major change that is pushed onto the platform is there in the changelog, so that nothing breaks in case you're using the platform itself or accessing the platform via APIs. We also have a search bar here where you can maybe type anything like PCA. If you want to understand what PCA is, it will help you navigate to this relevant section. Similarly, if I want to move to some other section like maybe phone number, it will give me all the options, and then I can select one of those to go where I want to go. For a batch, it will give you a bunch of options from which you can choose where you want to go or whichever is relevant to you. Let's take, for example, an overview of a batch call, and once you have understood that, you can go to maybe create a batch call and understand the request, the body, and the responses. That's pretty much for this video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.